What if the one closest to you is silently stealing your light, leaving your spirit to waver like a flame caught in shadow? The Stoicism mindset, forged in the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, is your key to unmask behaviors that drain your mental health, sap your motivation, and pull you from your purpose. This isn't about blame, but about empowering you to spot toxic patterns and reclaim your Stoic reign. Let's uncover 7 clear signs of a toxic presence in relationships, using the Stoicism mindset to ignite your strength and peace. The Stoicism mindset reveals a vital truth. Relationships should fuel your spirit, not extinguish it. These toxic patterns can appear in anyone, regardless of who they are, but the Stoicism mindset equips you to respond with clarity. Stoic philosophy teaches that external chaos only harms you if it breaches your inner fortress. Science confirms this. Toxic dynamics spike cortisol, clouding judgment and harming mental health. The Stoicism mindset empowers you to see these patterns and act with wisdom. Consider Javier, a 35-year-old graphic designer from Miami. His partner's endless drama drained him, dimming his spark. "I was fading," he recalls. Embracing Stoicism for beginners, Javier used the Stoicism mindset to set boundaries, reigniting his motivation. His journey inspires anyone seeking Stoicism, motivation to navigate Stoicism relationships with grace. The Stoicism mindset is about mastering your thoughts, actions, and boundaries while releasing what you can't control, like another's behavior. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." In Stoicism relationships, this means staying grounded amid turmoil. A toxic presence tests your mindfulness, but the Stoicism mindset turns challenges into resilience. Seneca reminds us, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Their actions only hurt you if you grant them power." Let's explore 7 signs of a toxic presence, unveiled by the Stoicism mindset, each with Stoicism lessons to protect your Stoic reign. First, the Stoicism mindset spots those who always play the victim. They paint themselves as eternally wronged. Exes were toxic, friends betrayed them, life is unfair. Their stories pull you in, urging you to rescue them. Soon you're blamed for their woes or tasked with fixing them, trapping you in guilt and draining your motivation. Epictetus said, "Some things are up to us and some are not." The Stoicism mindset urges you to observe. Do they ever own their mistakes? If not, their victimhood isn't your burden. Respond neutrally. "That sounds tough, let's focus on now." Redirect energy to Stoicism daily goals, like work or exercise. If victimhood persists, ask if this aligns with your Stoicism on love. Meet Aisha, a 28-year-old teacher from Chicago. Her partner blamed everyone, exhausting her. Stoicism for women helped Aisha disengage, focusing on her career. "I found my calm," she says, embodying Stoic reign. The Stoicism mindset flags those who thrive on drama. They turn life into a soap opera, stirring fights, gossip, or crises to feel alive. A delayed text sparks a battle, draining your mental health. The Stoicism mindset sees this chaos as a choice you don't have to engage. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. Their drama only disrupts if you fuel it. Respond minimally. Let's talk calmly later." Stay rooted in your purpose, hobbies, or Stoicism practice. If they crave chaos, question if this fits your Stoicism. Relationships. Take Leo, a 30-year-old photographer from Los Angeles. His partner's arguments derailed his focus. Stoicism motivation taught him to disengage, preserving his productivity. "I chose peace," he says, reflecting Stoic philosophy. Manipulation through guilt is another sign the Stoicism mindset reveals. They use silent treatment, sighs, or remarks like, "I guess I'm not a priority," to control you. Your choices, friends, career, become about avoiding their disapproval, eroding your autonomy. Seneca said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." The Stoicism mindset asks, am I wrong, or is this their control? Reflect. Does this align with my values? If you need to work, do it. Say, I care about us, but this is important. If guilt persists, reassess the relationships. Fit with Stoicism on love. Meet Priya, a 32-year-old entrepreneur from New York. Her partner guilt-tripped her for prioritizing her startup, causing anxiety. Stoicism practice helped her set boundaries, boosting her self-improvement. I stopped apologizing for my dreams, she says. The Stoicism mindset exposes a lack of empathy. When you're stressed or grieving, they're emotionally absent, dismissing your pain or pivoting to their own. This isolates you, harming your mental health. Epictetus said, "You are not disturbed by things but by your opinion of them." The Stoicism mindset accepts their limits but guards your well-being. Don't beg for care. Lean on friends, therapy, or Stoicism exercises like journaling. Ask, does this relationship nurture me? If not, step back. Consider Matteo, a 29-year-old nurse from Houston. His partner ignored his exhaustion, leaving him alone. Stoicism for beginners helped him find community support, enhancing his mindfulness. I deserved care, he says, aligning with Stoic philosophy. Obsession with appearances is unmasked by the Stoicism mindset. They fixate on status, money, social media, judging you by what you provide. You feel pressured to perform, but their demands drain your productivity. Seneca wrote, "Wealth is the slave of a wise man, the master of a fool." The Stoicism mindset values character over externals. Define your worth by integrity. Say, I prioritize what lasts. Invest in growth, skills, Stoicism daily habits, not status. If values clash, reconsider the relationship. Meet Nia, a 27-year-old marketer from Atlanta. Her partner demanded luxury, draining her. Stoicism for women taught her to focus on her goals. I stopped chasing their standards, she says, fueling motivation. The Stoicism mindset spots those who never admit fault. They deflect or counterattack, avoiding vulnerability. Discussions become battles, draining mindfulness. Marcus Aurelius said, "If anyone can show me I'm wrong, I'll gladly change." The Stoicism mindset embraces correction as growth. Don't argue to prove them wrong. It's futile. State your view. I see it differently. Let's move on. If they never own mistakes, ask if this supports your Stoicism relationships. Take Omar, a 33-year-old engineer from Seattle. His partner twisted arguments, exhausting him. Stoicism practice helped him disengage, focusing on his projects. I chose clarity, he says, advancing self-improvement. Disrespect for your time is a final sign the Stoicism mindset reveals. They're late, cancel plans, or expect you to drop everything, signaling your priorities matter less. This erodes productivity. Seneca warned, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." The Stoicism mindset guards time as life's currency. Set boundaries. If they're late, proceed with your plans. Say, let's plan when you're certain. Prioritize Stoicism daily tasks, work, hobbies. If disrespect persists, distance yourself. Meet Sophia, a 31-year-old musician from Austin. Her partner disregarded her schedule, frustrating her. Stoicism motivation helped her value her time, focusing on her art. I stopped waiting, she says, boosting mental health. Finding these Stoicism mindset insights valuable? Hit subscribe on Stoic Reign and join our community. Share in the comments. Which sign hit home for you? The Stoicism mindset transforms relationships. Boundaries reduce stress, lowering cortisol and boosting mental health. You replace reactivity with clarity, fueling motivation. Emotionally, you find peace, strengthening Stoicism on love. Spiritually, you align with purpose, living Stoic quotes like Seneca's. How long are you to wait before you demand the best for yourself? These behaviors may stem from their struggles, but their impact is real. The Stoicism mindset prioritizes your growth, not judgment. Imagine a life unshaken, focus sharp, heart steady. Take Ezra, a 40-year-old therapist from Denver. His partner's guilt drained him, The Stoicism mindset helped him set boundaries, thriving in his practice. "I chose myself," he says, embodying Stoic Reign, ready to fortify your Stoic Reign with the Stoicism mindset. Here are 5 Stoicism exercises for Stoicism for beginners and beyond, to boost mental health, reduce anxiety, and enhance productivity. Clarity Seed. Each morning, write an intention. I'll act with patience. Visualize staying calm in a challenge. Review nightly. This builds motivation. Serenity Pulse. When triggered, take 4 breaths and ask, "Is this worth my peace?" This Stoicism practice eases anxiety. Boundary Flame. When disrespected, state a need. I need reliability. Enforce it by prioritizing Stoicism daily tasks. This strengthens Stoic Reign. Insight Window. Journal 1 calm moment and 1 reaction nightly. Add a Stoic quote like, "You have power over your mind," to guide growth. This fosters self-improvement. Wisdom Bloom. List 3 things you're grateful for and reframe a toxic behavior as a lesson. Their chaos taught me resilience. This aligns with Stoicism on love, boosting mindfulness. Will you let guilt, drama, or disrespect dim your light, or embrace the Stoicism mindset to shine unshaken? Heroes like Javier, Aisha, Leo, Priya, Matteo, Nia, Omar, Sophia, and Ezra chose courage through Stoic philosophy. Your challenge? For 14 days. Practice 1 Stoicism exercise and respond to toxic behaviors with calm boundaries. Journal your progress and share with a friend. Picture yourself in 2 weeks, steady, purposeful, free. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing. What a good person should be one." The Stoicism mindset is your guide, your boundaries your strength, shaping Stoicism relationships and motivation. It's Stoicism for women, Stoicism on love, and Stoic Reign for all. Love this Stoicism mindset journey? Subscribe to Stoic Reign for weekly Stoicism lessons to boost mental health, reduce anxiety, and fuel self-improvement. Tell us in the comments, which Stoicism exercise will you start today to build your Stoic Reign? From Javier's spark to Aisha's calm, Leo's peace to Priya's dreams, Matteo's care, Nia's values, Omar's clarity, Sophia's art, and Ezra's strength, the Stoicism mindset transforms lives. Your storm may rage, but your fortress stands. One choice remains. Embrace the Stoicism mindset, guard your peace, and rise to your Stoic Reign.